Hi guys and good morning.
You're showing my face. You wicked.
She always show me off my face. She always love to show my face when I'm not ready. So
I just roll out of bed, honey. You wicked.
Hi guys.
Here not even brush. Here not even brush. Teeth not brush nothing. You wicked.
Hopefully you have a wonderful day. It's Tuesday morning. Oh, the light is terrible here. It's Tuesday morning, up early, ready to go to work. Well, early. Usually I leave before everybody is awake, so not today. This is late today. But yeah, hope just want to take this little time to wish all of you a happy day and give trouble to my wife. I love her. Hi, babe.
You're too wicked.
Have a good day.
You're too wicked. You're wicked. Now that's better. Tito brush, here's brush, and I look better. Tell us a morning, Faves. You guys, you see his dinosaur bag? He said he wants to carry it to school this morning. So I write his name on it. What's that? What does that say?
Tyler.
Tyler. That's your dinosaur bag?
Mama,
Yeah.
and I want to put it do. What's this?
You can put juice or water in here, but I don't put it in there because I don't want it to fall out. So it's on the inside, okay?
Okay.
You excited to carry your dinosaur back to school? Yeah. All right, let's go get ready for school. Tell Faith, see you guys later.
See you guys later.
All right. Anyway, you guys, baby's off, as you guys saw. He went to work, and now I'm getting Tyler ready to head out myself.
My favorite boy too.
Where's Papa, your favorite boy? He's gone to work.
Okay.
Papa is his favorite boy. Turn around. Ooh, you like it?
Yes.
It's pretty.
Mama.
All right, let's go, my little dinosaur. Yes?
You know that next day I need to carry the bag in my room.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Go. Let me see your bag. Turn around. Oh, pretty. I'm back from dropping my sweet boy at school, and the first thing I'm gonna do this morning is try and attempt to get back to my green juice. And I said try and attempt it because during my first trimester and early in my second, I tried it and it just wasn't working. So veggies are going pretty well right now, so that's good. I'm slowly incorporating back veggies in my diet, and it's, when I say veggies, I mean lettuce. Like lettuce was my main go-to, and it's slowly agreeing with me right now, so that's good. That's really good. So I'll be back into my veggie grind. I'm going to try back my green juice and see if it will also help me to probably use a toilet better with my constipation, even though the constipation is getting a little bit better with the prune juice. And I'm also trying fruits now, and fruits going well too, so thank God for that. Banana, which I used to hate, I am now eating banana okay, and it's not, the smell is not bothering me anymore with the banana, and the taste is fine. I want like 2 bananas per day these days, but I try to, you know, do 1. And I do grapes and I do kiwi, so that's good. But I'm going to try and do back my green juice. And you guys know that I used to love celery juice before I got pregnant with baby girl. And my celery juice, if you're new to my channel, includes celery, cucumber, apple, and ginger. That's as simple as it gets, and this morning will be no different. So let's see how that goes. I'm cutting up all of this because I like to package them and put them in the fridge. That way when I'm ready for it, I don't have to be cutting up all over again. So I'm just gonna take what I want and put the rest in the fridge. Okay, so I use about that amount and I'll put up the rest. And you guys already see my planting out. So you know what's gonna be for breakfast. The usual plantain and eggs. That's what my girl needs, so that's what my girl gets. Okay, and then I'm going to use half of a cucumber and I'm gonna use 1 apple, and then ginger is gonna be added to that. Okay, so there we go. Apple, ginger, celery, cucumber, and that's morning glory. But let's see if she let me drink it actually. Exactly 1 cup of goodness. Yes. So I like to make my green juice just chill a little bit to just make it more refreshing. So I just put it in the freezer to make it chill. And as I'm making the green juice, here comes a package, another package. So let's see if this is something from our registry or is something that we ordered. So I guess I got back just in time from dropping Ty at school because it came super early. It's not even 9 a.m. as yet and delivery is already here. Okay, it's from our registry, so I won't show you guys what it is until the unboxing video. And I'm definitely gonna do that unboxing video next week because the things are piling up so much. So I'm gonna do the unboxing video next week, and then whatever comes after I'll just show you guys in each vlog because it's starting to get a lot. So yeah, another package from you guys. Thank you, loves. My green juice is just as good as I left it. My only problem is gonna be that I need to make it before I head out to school with Tyler. That way kind of give me like about 45 minutes before I have breakfast because it kind of makes me full, so I won't be able to have breakfast directly after having the green juice, and to kind of give it some time to do its job in the body before I throw breakfast on top of it. But it's good. It just tastes a little bit different now because the apples that I would normally use is yellow apple and this is green apple, so it's not as sweet as it used to be, but it's good. As you guys may wonder why I don't show you guys my breakfast in the mornings, because it's the same thing every morning. Fried green pressed plantains and eggs, okay? Nothing changes. That's what I feel for every morning. So that's what I have. So I guess it's back to green juice grind because it tastes so good. So I'm back on my green juice-ish. So I'm excited. A typical pregnant girl's breakfast each and every morning, okay? 2 eggs and green plantains. Numbers. I have been just editing and getting the house fresh all morning, and I'm a little bit worn out now, which means it's time to go take a nap. But first I have to eat lunch, because if I go to nap before I eat lunch, I won't sleep because I'll be hungry. So this is what lunch is looking like today. Your girl veggies coming back. Hey, hey, hey. I'm so excited to be eating vegetables again. So I'm having veggies with 3 little mini pizzas, and that's what lunch is for today. Yes. Guys, basically seeing a day in the life of a pregnant mama, okay? A day in the life of a stay-at-home pregnant mama. Pregnant mama. I can't wait to do the baby mama dance for you guys. Me and babe. I've been wanting to do that video ever since I saw it going around on YouTube. It looks so much fun. Anyway, you guys, I got a few stuff done today. I woke up, I went to nap, I tidied the house, I did laundry, I get them out. I woke up and I start making dinner because I know I have to pick Ty up from school, because I don't think baby's gonna reach back in time to pick him up, and I don't have work today. So dinner today, let me show you what I've been up to so far. These fishes, I am going to fry them, but not yet. When I get back from picking up Tyler, I think I'm also gonna cut the head because I feel for some fish soup. So I think I'm gonna use the head and make some fish soup later. I also made some broccoli and some potatoes, and I am going to saute them. I'm gonna saute them in some olive oil when I get back from picking up Tyler, because I don't want to do it now and have it sit down and make it cold and then reheat it. So I'm just making that rest right there, and I don't like to make the fish and put it down either. I like to make it and have it at the same time. So the fish is marinating. I just add salt and black pepper to it, and that's that. But like I said, I think I'm gonna cut the head and use it to make some fish tea, because my girl Kimmy from Belgium sent me you remember that big package of Jamaican goodies that I got? There was fish soup in it. It was the first I've ever seen it, and it's so delicious. It's so good that I finished them in like a week. So now it make me kind of feel for some fish tea vibe. But she had also sent some vegetable soup of the same brand which the fish tea came from. So I'm going to boil the fish head and put the vegetable soup in it and see if it will still, and a lot of pepper, and see if it will give me that kind of fish tea vibe going. I don't want any food in it, I just want the liquid because it was so delicious, the one that Kimmy sent. But anyway, I have about an hour before I go and pick up Tyler, so I am going to go and get a bath, get a shower, and relax a bit before I go pick up my little hyper nugget. Look who is home. Come here, come say hi to Faith. You're home from school? Yeah. I'm making green ginger. Hey. Hello. You're playing with your toys? You're doing Lego? Yeah? Wow, what are you building?
Police.
You're building a police what?
A police vehicle.
A police vehicle. This boy love police vehicle. You love police vehicle, don't you? Yeah. That looks like a ship. That doesn't look like a police vehicle. It looks like a ship.
No, it can fly in the air.
Okay, it can fly in the air.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So it's a helicopter train.
Okay, I see. You're doing well. He's just in his little zone all by himself. When he's in this room, you don't even know he's in the house. But guess what?
What?
It's time to go get ready for bed. You have school up tomorrow. Here, what we're gonna do? We're going to brush your teeth, get a bath, and then come back and play a little bit more before bed, okay?
Okay.
All right, put that down and come. Let's go.
You going to play with me after?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's run along to the bathroom.